In this episode, you will learn another meaning of the Japanese particle, mo. When preceded by an amount, mo can express an approximation or convey surprise at the amount. Kenta は新しいゲームに夢中だ。でも、2日もすれば飽きるだろう。Kenta is obsessed with the new video game, but he'll get bored in 2 days or so. In this example, mo follows the numerical phrase, 2日, 2 days. In this case, mo indicates that this number is a rough estimate, as there's no telling when Kenta might get bored of the game. Kenta は2ヶ月もそのゲームに夢中になっていた。Kenta was obsessed with the game for as long as 2 months. Unlike the previous sentence, this sentence uses mo to convey surprise at how long Kenta was obsessed with the game. そのゲームは5000円もしないだろう。I don't think the video game will cost more than 5,000 yen. In this example, mo preceded by 5000 yen, 5,000 yen expresses an approximate upper limit, as in not more than 5,000 yen, with the implication being that the video game is rather cheap. そのゲームは1万円もする。That video game costs as much as 5,000 yen. In contrast to the previous example, mo in this sentence shows surprise at the exorbitant price of the video game. In the next episode, you will learn yet another meaning of the particle mo.